Okay, everybody, this is part 3 of the first project, the 5 facts about City High. At this point, you should have your title. You have 8 seconds of white video in the background, and then your title on video 2, that is 5 seconds. We're going to do something very similar to all 5 facts. Right now, you have the fact on video 2 and the picture on video 1, but both are 5 seconds long. What we're going to do is we're going to make the picture, the City High background, we're going to make that 8 seconds long as well. So just like we did with the white background, you're going to right click on that and change the speed duration. So if I right click, you find speed duration and you click on that. Right now it is 5 seconds long, and you click on that and just type, just like we did before on the first tutorial, 800. You want to make sure that there's nothing after the image, because this image is going to get bigger and it's going to need some space to grow. So when I hit OK, look at the picture, the City High image on video 1, and it will get larger. So that's an extra 3 seconds on there. So you want to keep that image at 8 seconds long, and you want to have the fact at around 5 seconds long. You want to put that fact somewhere in the middle. Now this might change in the future, because when you record, when you have my voice and it's going to be reading this fact, you might need it on the screen a little longer, but for right now you want to have a little extra room on either side to work with. So you can kind of guesstimate where you want it to be, somewhere in the middle. Then you're going to go back to your effects window, and remember that you're going to be in the video transitions folder, and for right now we're going to stick with the dissolve folder, and you're going to once again choose cross dissolve, and that's going to go on the fact. So if I put cross dissolve on the fact and take a look at what it looks like, it should fade up right there. So you put the cross dissolve on both sides of the fact, but in between the white video and the first image, I'd like you to choose another type of dissolve. You see here there's additive dissolve, cross dissolve, dip to black, or dip to white. I'd like you to choose the dip to white transition and put it right in between the picture. Now when I play it, now that the cross dissolve will look very similar, but in the future when you put a dip to white, the transition is going to go like the title, like it says, it's going to dip to white for a second, and then it's going to show the first image. So you want to go ahead and do this for 5 different facts. I'll show you what the dip to white looks like with another image. So I'm going to take my second image, I'll choose this one, I'll butt it right up against the last picture, put my red playhead over it so I can see it, right click, scale to frame, and that'll shrink it down pretty well so it fits. Now I want to resize it manually so it fits how I want it to look. I want it to look to be right there. And now if I take that same dip to white transition and put it in between the first image, goes to the second image, it actually does a dip to white. And you're going to repeat this same process. You're going to right click on the second image, change the speed to 8 seconds long, choose OK, and continue to add titles that are 5 seconds long with a cross dissolve in between each one. So you're going to continue that for all 5 facts, and the next tutorial I'm going to show you is how to do audio editing. Thanks.